Have you ever wondered if the dreams you see are just fantasy, or can they actually come true? Visualize by Maya Raichura is not just another self-help book. It's a practical guide for dreamers and achievers who want to harness the power of their mind to create their ideal reality. Maya's life is living proof of the magic of visualization. From overcoming a life-threatening illness to building a successful business and inspiring thousands, she did it all using the power of her mind. In this summary, you'll learn: what exactly is visualization? How does it work on a subconscious level? What's the science behind it? A step-by-step process to master visualization. Real-life stories and daily tools you can start using immediately. So, let's unlock the immense power of your mind and step into the world where thoughts become things. Chapter 1. Power of the Mind. Everything begins with your mind. Maya explains that our brain is divided into two parts: the conscious mind, which controls only about 5% of our daily thoughts and actions; the subconscious mind, which controls the remaining 95%. It stores our emotions, habits, beliefs, and long-term memory. Here's the kicker. No matter how badly you want something consciously, if your subconscious beliefs don't support it, you won't attract it. For example, you want to be wealthy, but deep down, you believe money is evil or I don't deserve success. That belief creates resistance and you unknowingly sabotage your own progress. That's where visualization comes in. It helps reprogram your subconscious. Chapter 2. What is visualization? Visualization is the art of imagining a desired outcome so vividly that your brain believes it has already happened. This isn't just daydreaming, it's intentional and focused imagination infused with emotion. Maya says, your brain cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you consistently visualize something with emotion and clarity, your brain starts to believe it's already true. Your thoughts and feelings begin to align with that version of your life. In terms of the law of attraction, visualization is how you send a strong frequency signal to the universe. Example: Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps used to mentally rehearse every race down to the smallest detail before even diving into the pool. The result? Dozens of gold medals. Chapter 3. How to visualize effectively. Visualization isn't just about seeing a goal. It's a complete sensory and emotional experience. Maya outlines 5 steps to do it effectively. 1. Clarity of goal. Be super clear about what you want. Vague desires lead to vague results. Example: instead of "I want to be successful," say "I want to be a TEDx speaker by next year." 2. Create a specific scene. Imagine a precise scenario. For example, you're on stage at TEDx, the lights are on you, the audience is clapping. You feel confident and powerful. 3. Engage all 5 senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Any smell or touch? The more real it feels, the more effective the visualization becomes. 4. Add emotion. Emotion is fuel. When you feel excitement, joy, or gratitude while visualizing, your brain registers the experience more powerfully. Repeat daily. Practice visualization for 5 to 10 minutes every day, preferably right after waking up or just before sleeping. These are the times when your subconscious is most receptive. Maya suggests combining visualization plus meditation music plus vision board as the for maximum effect. Chapter 4. The science behind it. Visualization is not just a spiritual concept. It's backed by neuroscience and quantum theory. Neuroplasticity. When you imagine a scenario repeatedly, new neural pathways form. Your brain literally starts to rewire itself to support your vision. Reticular activating system, RAS. This is your brain's filter. When you focus on a goal, your RAS starts noticing things related to that goal more often. People, opportunities, signs. Mirror neurons. Your brain fires the same neurons during visualization as it does when you perform the real action. So, your brain is practicing success even before it happens. Bottom line, when done right, visualization is mental training for your future. Chapter 5. Maya's personal story. Maya Raichura's life is a real-life testimonial to the power of visualization. At just 16, she was diagnosed with a chronic, painful autoimmune disease, ankylosing spondylitis. Doctors told her she'd have to live in pain for the rest of her life, but she refused to accept that. Instead, Maya began visualizing herself as healthy, energetic, and pain-free every single day. She used guided meditation, gratitude journaling, emotional healing, and spiritual practice to aid her visualization. Slowly but surely, her body began to heal. Today, Maya is disease-free, running a successful wellness brand, and helping thousands discover the power of their mind. Her message? Your mind can be your worst enemy or your greatest healer. The choice is yours. Chapter 6. Tools to supercharge your visualization. Maya shares some powerful tools that can make your visualization practice even more effective. 1. Vision board. A visual collage of images that represent your goals. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily. It reinforces your visual message to the brain. 2. Scripting. Write your future life in the present tense, as if it has already happened. Example: I'm so grateful for my beautiful beach home and my thriving online business. 3. Meditation. Music. Use soothing music, especially theta wave frequencies, to get your brain into a relaxed and receptive state. 4. Gratitude journal. After visualizing, write down things you're already grateful for and things you're manifesting as if you already have them. Gratitude raises your vibration instantly. 5. Physical anchoring. Use a hand gesture, a scent, or a small ritual while visualizing to anchor the emotion. Your brain will start associating that action with the desired feeling. Chapter 7. Why visualization sometimes doesn't work. Visualization doesn't always work, and here's why. 1. Doubt. If you keep asking, is this even possible? You're creating resistance. 2. Conflicting beliefs. You may want success, but subconsciously believe that rich people are bad or that you're not worthy. 3. Lack of action. Visualizing without taking any real-life steps is like planning a road trip but never leaving the driveway. 4. Negative emotions. Jealousy, fear, and comparison lower your frequency and block manifestation. Maya's advice: become aware of your inner resistance, pause, and reframe it. Shift your thoughts to alignment. Chapter 8. A daily routine for visualization. Maya suggests a powerful yet simple routine to make visualization a part of your life. Morning routine, 15 minutes. 1. Deep breathing, 2 minutes. Center yourself and calm your mind. 2nd, gratitude listing, 3 minutes. Write 5 things you're thankful for. 3. Visualization, 7 minutes. Close your eyes, feel your dream is real. 4th, affirmations, 3 minutes. Say positive, present tense statements aloud. Evening routine, 10 minutes. 1. Reflect on the day. Did anything align with your visualized life? 2. Quick visualization. A mini replay of your morning vision. 3. Journaling. Script your dream life again. Add gratitude. Maya emphasizes, the most powerful time to visualize is just before you fall asleep, because your subconscious is most active during that window. Chapter 9. Real-life success stories. This book includes real stories of transformation from people who used Maya's methods. A man, 24, visualized himself working at Google, got the offer letter in 3 months. Ritika, 34, struggled with infertility for years, used gratitude and visualization daily. She conceived naturally within 6 months. Karen, 30, saw his startup as $1 million business every day. Within 2 years, it hit that milestone. These stories aren't fairy tales. They're proof that mindset shapes reality. Conclusion: your mind, your future. Visualize is a beautiful reminder that we are the creators of our reality. No matter how hard life seems, if your belief and vision are strong, you can turn the impossible into reality. Visualization is not magic. It's alignment, it's intention, and it's consistency. Starting today, take your dreams seriously. Visualize them as if they've already come true. Take small, inspired actions toward them. Final thought: if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Bob Proctor. If you loved this summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. What's your biggest dream you want to manifest? See you in the next video. Until then, visualize, feel, and manifest.